Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, we've got an NC Miata that runs in the E Production class. Now, this is the first time it's ever been in my shop, and it's a front bumper job, not a big job. We're going to be painting 3 different colors on it, a white, a blue, and a black, so stay tuned. And on a side note, I want to thank everyone who supports my channel by watching and subscribing, because we just hit 1,000 subscribers. Now, when I first started this thing, 1,000 seemed really far away, and honestly, I wasn't sure we were ever going to get there. But now that we have, yes, awesome. Thank you guys, and here's to 1,000 more. Alright, so this bumper took a little bit of an impact, and it looks like whoever painted it before did not use a bumper system because the paint's starting to flake off, and we need to strip this bumper. So we're going to try something a little bit different. We're going to see if we can pressure wash the paint off this bumper. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so the pressure washer actually worked pretty good. It got most of the paint off. It did leave a little bit on the edges. We're going to sand that off with some 320 on a DA. So let's start sanding. Alright, so the bumper's all stripped. It's in the booth and wiped down. We're going to try to get away without priming this thing. We're just going to put some bumper system on, which is kind of like a primer. We're going to put 2 coats on instead of 1 and see if it fills in any imperfections. And if it does, if it looks smooth enough, we're going to go ahead and spray the black on, get it taped off, and then we'll spray the blue base coat on, and then get it taped off, and then we can spray the white base coat. So let's go see if we can do this without priming it. Alright, so I thought I turned the camera on to record, but evidently I didn't because I don't have footage of putting the bumper system on, putting the black base coat on, taping it off, and putting the blue base coat on. I think 6ix9ine said it best. Stupid! Yeah. Alright, so I started painting this bumper, and I'm an idiot. I didn't get any of it on film, so let me see if I can catch you up to speed. Basically, I sealed the bumper white. We painted black here, and then I taped off the black, and then I sprayed the blue. What I'm going to do now is tape off the blue and then paint the white, and then once that flashes off, we'll untape everything and clear the whole bumper. Alright, so we've got the blue all taped off in there. The next thing we need to do is start spraying some white. So I'm going to put my paint suit on. You can come on in the booth with me and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so you're not going to want to be breathing those paint fumes in the paint booth, so let's get a respirator on you. Alright, so the white base coat's pretty dry. It's dry to the touch. Now it's still a little bit sticky, but it's dry enough for us to pull the tape off. So we're going to untape this thing and give it a few more minutes, and then we can clear coat it. Got it untaped. It looks really good. None of the paint bled through the edges. We're going to let the white flash off a little bit longer, and we're going to put some clear on this.
I used to be a man trapped in a woman's body, and then my mother gave birth to me.
Alright, so that's going to be about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, smash that like button. And if you're new to the channel and this is the first time you're ever seeing me, consider subscribing and ringing that bell notification. That way you won't miss any future content. If you have any thoughts or questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I don't want to get too gushy about this 1,000 subscriber thing, but it really means a lot to me that you guys support the channel, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you. You guys are the best, and as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya!